It was one of those episodes. I believe the theme of the show I saw was lesbian love affairs. It's a pretty boring show. One of my buddies actually asked a question during the Q&A section and got booed out of the room. I know Jerry was the mayor of Cincinnati. And then he was unceremoniously let go of that position and then became a talk show host. There's no real end to that story. I just thought it was funny as shit. My first trip to Chicago,
Good story.
I saw Jerry Springer. And what happened at that show again? Remind me?
Jerry!
Keep it going for this next song.
Jerry!
See